Thank you for watching Edupedia World videos. In this session of MySQL, we'll be learning about where and not equal. We have seen where but in a very primary fashion, but we'll be looking on more deeper concepts. So let us start. Now when you talk about the where clause or the where function, it is something that you are selecting out of a particular set of information where you are giving a condition. So you are selecting a piece of information from a table or from a column, and then you are defining that you want this condition to be met, and then you have your result. So say, let us just simply select from our movies table. So here let me say that I want to select from movies. Now what do you want to select? You want to select the title from movies where you are saying that the release year should be, say, 1997 is equal to 1997. Now if I press, so it brings me the title. Alright, you can also give something, say, like this, where you are putting a condition like true or false. So you are selecting title from movies table where 1 is equal to 1. So you are getting all the titles. Now why we are getting all the title is because that 1 is equal to 1. So this condition is true. Now if you just say put maybe 221, something like that, and say enter, then you are not getting, because this condition is now standing false for us. Now let us do something. We have seen how to use where, though the use of where can be expanded. There can be many conditions, or we can use this where clause or function in many different ways. Now if I want to, say, select from movies where, say, my rating is PG-13, and I want to say title like, okay. Now you must be thinking that what we have done here. We have simply selected the data from movies table, giving certain set of conditions. We are first wanting the rating should be as PG-13, and the title should be like in quotes, which should be starting with the word as THE or the. Now you must be remembering from the previous videos, if you put another percentage sign before this word, it will select any of the data irrespective of this words sequence into the title or that line. Now if you will refer to the original table, you can see that our conditions are met. First is the lost world and second is the aviator. Alright, so this is how you can use number of conditions or more than one conditions in a single query and get the result for yourself. Now having seen those things, let us just understand one more condition here that we can use. So we'll just start with simply selecting all the things from movies. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is selecting all the things from movies, and I'm going to give a clause here where my release year is greater than 2001, and I'm gonna give one more condition: rating is not equal to or not like PG-13. So before I hit enter, I just want to walk you through to the query. What we are doing, we are selecting all the data from movies table where the release year I am giving condition should be greater than 2001, and second condition is where the rating should not contain anything like PG-13. So you can see now that it has given me the 9th and the 10th of the entry. Now if you will check apart from these two entry, you will find that this condition is not met because the rating is PG-13. Though this condition in the terms of rating is true, but the year condition, that is the release year should be greater than 2001, is not met. And when you examine all these things, you will find that only the 9th and the 10th are our result for this thing. Alright, so we have seen how to use more than one condition in a single query, where we have learned about how to use where clause and not like or not equal to. So this type of conditions can be used to get a specific data and print reports when you are working in the real scenarios. Again, I suggest, if you are not understanding any part of this video, please go back to the previous videos, understand, and then you will be able to relate to these videos. Alright, so stay tuned for upcoming videos. We'll be going more deeper into MySQL concepts and we'll be learning many things. I hope that you are practicing at your hand. Keep learning. Thank you.